Hello friends, welcome to the Investment Guru. Today, we will understand how to invest money in the stock market. What is fundamental analysis and technical analysis? Even if you are a beginner, it is very easy to start investing your money in the stock market. If you have not started yet, then watch the video until the end. For many people, when you think of investing, they think it is very complicated and forget about the stock market. Many people think it is gambling and they think it is only for few people who are highly knowledgeable. There are so many companies and charts and people easily get confused. What is an initial public offering, IPO? Companies will go public and so that the general public can invest their money in the company. This way, company will sell their shares and people will own shares. If there are so many people who want to buy the shares, then the share price will go up. Let's take up an example. If you started a business, but then you will need some extra money to expand your business. You want to hire more people, expand and open to new locations. They will list their company in India with the National Stock Exchange, NSE, and then the general public can buy the company shares using a stockbroker. It is called initial public offering, IPO. For example, we will take a company called XYZ. In 2012, it went public with 33.7 crore shares at a price of 38 rupees per share. When the people bought shares, the company got the extra money. After starting its IPO, common people like you and me can buy shares in the company. In the past, many people bought stocks keeping the dividends in mind. When you buy a stock, you will have the right to the profit of the company. In our example for XYZ company, if it makes 1,593 crore rupees, there should be a part of it for you. In reality, there are almost 300 crores of them. So we have to divide the net income on the number of shares. In this way, each stock should earn about 5 rupees. We are dividing 1,593 by 300. It is also called earnings per share, EPS. If you have 10 shares, then you will earn about 50 rupees. It is all theory, but in reality it's different. It depends on the board of directors to decide what to do with the profit money that they made. They can either use this money and reinvest it back in the company. They will have to use it for growth of the company, maybe invest in R&D, or they can distribute the money as dividend to its shareholders. For us, if we want to invest in these companies, we have to understand how the company is doing, what is their future plan, what was their profits earlier, what is the market cap. All this is called fundamental analysis. Because the company is public, they should release all the information to the public. We can get this information and we have to understand each thing to get to know about the company. Another analysis is called the technical analysis. Using this, we can look at the charts for previous price data. Using technical tools, we can estimate the performance of the company's stock price in the future. We can understand the correct time to buy the price and how long we should hold it. For absolute beginners, or if you did not invest in stock market before, then you should start investing now. Go to NSE website and select Nifty 50 stock list. In this list you can find large cap companies, very well known names. These companies are safe to invest. You can start with a small amount, even 1,000 rupees is a good amount to start. But you have to be consistent. Every month, go to this website, select a well-known company and purchase the shares. If you do this, you will really be benefited in the long term. It is advisable to invest in the large cap, well-known companies where the risk is low. Because we are beginners, we want to find the companies which gives us the peace of mind. We want to invest and forget for long term. I hope you will think about it and start investing now. That's all in this video. If you have any questions, please comment and I will make a new video on it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I will see you in the next video.